Welcome to JRG Consulting Group's Manufacturing Operations Rapid Self-Assessment. This short walkthrough will show you exactly how to find the assessment and complete it in just a few minutes. To get started, open your browser and go to jrgcg.com. At the top of the page, look for the Resources tab in the main navigation menu and click on it. On the Resources page, find the link labelled "Click here to go to the Smartsheet Manufacturing Operations Rapid Self-Assessment." And click that link to open the assessment in Smartsheet. Once the Smartsheet form is open, you'll see a brief introduction and then the scoring instructions. Before you start answering questions, take a moment to review the scoring key so you apply it consistently across your operation. The scoring key works like this. A score of 0 means no practice is present across the site. A score of 1 means there is some evidence of the practice present. A score of 2 means you can clearly see evidence of the practice present. A score of 3 means there is evidence of the practice present in most areas. And a score of 4 means there is evidence of the practice present in all applicable areas and cases. Use this same 0 to 4 scale for every question in the assessment. Think about what you actually see in your facilities today, not what's written in procedures or on PowerPoint slides. Next, you'll notice there are 20 questions grouped into 10 key categories that describe the maturity of your manufacturing system. Those categories are cultural awareness, visual management and housekeeping, standard work, flexible operations, continuous improvement, error-proofing, quick changeover, total productive maintenance, material control, and level production. Each category has 2 questions designed to give you a quick but meaningful view of performance in that area. For every question, you'll see a drop-down list with the scores from 0 through 4. Click the drop-down, choose the score that best reflects current reality, and then move on to the next question. Work straight down the form until you've scored all 20 questions across all 10 categories. You can complete this yourself, or even better, as a small cross-functional team, so you capture different perspectives from operations, maintenance, quality, and materials. As you score, don't overthink it. You're looking for a rapid snapshot, not a perfect audit. If you're stuck between 2 scores, pick the lower one. That will help you prioritize improvement opportunities more clearly later. Once all the drop-downs are filled in, look for the date field near the bottom of the form. Use this date field to record when you completed the assessment. This makes it easy to come back in the future, repeat the assessment, and compare how your operation has improved over time. After you've entered the date, do a quick scan to make sure every question has a score selected and that your contact information, if requested, is filled out correctly. When everything looks good, scroll to the bottom and click the Submit button. That's all it takes to complete the JRG Consulting Group Smartsheet-based manufacturing operations rapid self-assessment. Please note that shortly after submission, you will be emailed with your assessment results. If you'd find it helpful to talk through your results, we are happy to offer a complimentary review call to discuss your assessment and potential next steps for your operation. You can pick a time that works for you using our scheduling link or simply reply to the email and we'll find a convenient time together.